Hey guys, today I'll talk about EURUSD before the FOMC, which could change the sentiment in the short term. This is seen as a high impact event, and most likely the volatility will be high, and yeah, it could bring sharp movements. Read disclaimer here, don't forget to read it and support if you have questions. So let's take a look. So later, guys, we'll have the FOMC statement, FOMC economic projections, and the very important FOMC press conference. The Fed is expected to keep the federal funds rate at 5.50%, and but don't forget that yesterday the US released its inflation data. So the consumer price index and the core CPI reported higher inflation in November compared to October, and this situation maybe could bring something maybe from the Federal Reserve. Maybe the Fed could announce that if the inflation continues to grow again, then maybe they could take action again, maybe a new 25 basis point rate hike in the upcoming monetary policy meetings. But right now, the Fed is expected to keep the federal funds rate unchanged at 5.50%. But as I've said, the FOMC press conference is seen as an high impact event and most likely will bring sharp movements, guys. Technically, guys, EURUSD massive sell-off and drop after taking out this uptrend line, after failing to stabilize above 1.1 psychological level, and after such an impressive downside movement. Rebound is natural, but it has failed to take out. Guys, to take out here 1.0817, and here we've had only a false breakout with great separation, which signaled that we have a strong supply zone, signaled the exhausted buyers maybe here. But yeah, as long as it is above this minor uptrend line, it could still extend maybe its growth. It could approach and reach that static resistance and this dynamic resistance represented by the medium line of the descending pitchfork. Technically, this potential flag, guys, could represent a bearish pattern, okay, but only if it stays right below the resistance levels. And personally, I would like to see here retest the price to retest the resistance levels, and then to register only false breakouts, and then to activate this flag pattern, and then boom, a new sell-off, a downside movement, a downside continuation here, because maybe this could represent only a temporary rebound before going down, before extending its sell-off. Okay, so this is my opinion here, and only yeah, maybe a dovish FOMC could bring us a valid breakout here above 1.0817, and then maybe we'll have an upside continuation in the short term. It remains to see, but this is my opinion right now. As I've said, yeah, something like this, an ascending pitchfork as well, right? The medium line has a dynamic resistance, the lower medium line has a dynamic support. Potential channel, guys, a potential channel that could pronounce a downside continuation. Risk disclaimer here, don't forget to read it. YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, you can hit the link below this video. Bye bye.